going this way.
In that alley right there.
Oh. So this is unscheduled though.
Yeah. I just don't know what to do.
Well, so far so good. It's actually not as tippy as I thought it would be.
Oh, okay.
I think it might be okay.
Yeah? Do I know when it moves, it makes me nervous
It
too.
does, but I can't
now
get
that
it to tip over.
Now that you feel like you felt it, so okay.
I really rocked it there and it didn't want to tip. It wanted to go back on its...
Yeah, that's why I wanted to put the heavy part on the bottom.
Yeah. No, after trying to rock it just now, I feel better about it.
Okay. Okay.
So is this one unscheduled then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. It's a nice yard.
Yeah.
What's that? Oak. Both bundles for $5.
Just oak.
Well,
Like
this
for
is
Bruce?
part of a table. Those are new.
Okay.
Never cook. When do you want me to never cook?
Because I need some pieces for the Bear's bookcase.
Oh.
Oh, sure. So I think I'll get those. I don't know what they're from, but yeah, what I don't use, Bruce will take, I'm sure.
Yeah.
You know that
Moose them in.
Flower box.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, neat.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. You got the other one?
Sure.
I don't know how to carry these really. There. I think that'll be good.
Thanks. Have a good day. Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, its oak is very heavy.
Very dense wood.
Yeah. It's gonna fit in the cab, or you put it in the back? Probably fit in the back.
Probably. Should put this one in first. It's flatter.
Sure. You got it? Oh, there's a drawer handle. It looks like it was a desk.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
On to the next. Okay. Oh, that was heavy.
I know. That's what I was thinking too. Okay. So yeah, just here, and
Okay.
then we'll probably drive up to the other ones.
Sure.
Was
Oh
it-
yeah, there's quite a few.
So if you see something without a price,
Okay.
Okay.
we'll make an offer.
How are you today? Good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Hoping the rain stays away.
I think so. It feels humid. It's hard to say though, hey?
Well, if we get, it'll probably be a good thunderstorm with lots of wind and smashing stuff.
Well, we need the rain.
We do.
That's the hard part. You want to hope for it, but at the same time.
Yeah,
But I wish it would just rain,
till
like, Monday
later
or
though.
Thursday.
Yeah.
That's what I said yesterday, or in the night.
Yeah.
In the night.
It rained from like 10 o'clock at night till 2 o'clock in the morning.
I know.
Just, have it on a timer.
Yeah. What'd you get?
Body butter. You have to smell it. You'll want to eat it.
It does smell good.
I know.
What does it smell like?
Sugar cookie.
Okay, yeah.
And then this is cleanser.
Same thing?
No, a different smell.
I can't smell that.
Yeah. And then this is different hair color stuff where you
Oh.
just brush it in.
Cool.
This is kind of neat.
It's so dusty, so
Oh, that's all right.
that one is the original price tag still on it.
Wow.
My son and his ex-wife bought it as a gift for us. And my new daughter-in-law doesn't like it around the house anymore. So it's like,
Funny how that works, eh?
yeah, I have no problem with that.
Yeah.
I would rather have her any day.
Yeah.
What are you asking
Yeah.
for it?
$5. But yeah, it's got all the accreditation.
Yeah, I think my mother would like that, Karen.
Oh, yeah?
It's a West Coast. She's got several West Coast masks.
I'm going to get this and I'm going to put my doorknobs on it. This is what was in our porch
Right.
before. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on a regular lamp.
Just stick it on this one right here.
Yeah.
Might not look quite right.
No, probably not. Okay.
My mom will like that.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's from BC, which her other masks are as well. So
Oh,
And
okay.
like I said, I left all the stuff on it. So.
That's the protective coating.
Well, no.
Or what do you mean? Oh, I thought you meant
The story
okay.
about it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
So it'll be okay.
There it is.
$6 for all of it. You okay with that?
Yeah. Is that cool with you?
Sure.
Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You guys have a good day.
You too.
you're not going to be able to get out. Do you want to? Okay. Can you get out now?
Yep. Just park here. That's good. Do you want me to carry you?
Yes. I didn't know that was an option. I would have asked earlier.
Okay.
Free stuff.
Oh. Why are they free?
I don't know.
Yeah. Cute though.
These are free?
Yeah.
Oh.
These two shirts here? Okay.
Oh. Well, I'll take those. I'll leave the hangers. Yep. Okay.
Well, that's a good deal.
Yeah. Thank you.
Those boxes, anything in there, it's been mostly picked over now, but.
Oh, yeah.
In front.
front of
Oh,
this table.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, these I'll take too. All these stands.
Okay.
Stands for plates and
Yeah.
things.
Just filled top to bottom with stuff. Yeah, just get rid of it.
Sweet.
Yeah.
It's not selling.
I'm gonna feel bad if I don't buy anything now.
Yeah, have a good one. Mark it down.
Tea. Black currant. Kiss my ass.
Kiss my ass tea.
That's funny. Peppermint. You would probably like that one. Chocolate mousse.
Yeah, when I went and talked to the other neighbors, they all seem really nice.
It's tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's loose leaf. So if you have the ball.
Yeah, we do, I think. Yeah, somewhere.
I got the balls. I got the balls.
100 question cards. General knowledge question cards.
Well, it is.
I'm busy.
Paid 20 or 30 bucks for the
Oh.
Stay on the sidewalk.
Very specific.
Do you want to come pet the kitty?
Oh yeah, right. We already have
I got
those.
50 cents.
I had a child selling it, but he
I could totally go for an iced tea. Do you want an iced tea, Karen?
No, thanks.
Yeah, it hasn't. It's been a while.
Got change?
going to suck.
Thanks.
Let me know if it's decent.
It's warmer than it looks out here. Like the humidity.
So I think I would say Drake will probably down to about a quarter of the stuff we have here. Maybe a third.
Winning.
Do you want that tea or no?
Just
Put it back on the stack.
gross. So you just grabbed free things?
I did.
And I bought an iced tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
guys.
you.
Come by.
Yeah.
Oh well, that's okay.
I know. I was happy for people. I'm like, I don't care if you buy anything. You take it.
I'm surprised those shirts
I
were free.
know.
They're nice.
They're like new.
They could have got a buck or two each. Easily.
I think
Out of
they're-
you they could
They're
have.
tired of.
Maybe.
Oh, I probably wouldn't have bought them had they.
Oh,
Maybe if they
okay.
were a quarter or something.
But they look like they're gonna fit you.
Yeah. Yeah, they'll fit me. Yeah, and all these.
Yeah. Yeah, you can definitely use those.
Yeah.
Even if you spray paint them black.
Well, usually I have them for like on the back of a shelf if you want to stand up a picture or
Right.
a plate
put
or
things
something.
in front of it.
Yeah, so you don't really see it anyway. But
Okay.
multi-fam. This one's a multi-family sale. It's on today only. And the reason I wrote it down was because they had an accordion at it. Not that I want to buy that, but
Another devil's instrument.
yeah, it might have other interesting things or older things. Cause like, do they even make accordions anymore? I mean, I guess they probably do, but
I'm sure somewhere.
all the ones we ever see are old. So
Yes, you're right.
the devil's instrument.
That and the bagpipes.
Yeah. They're just not pleasing, especially accordion. Well, to my ears.
I prefer the accordion over bagpipes. But I'd be fine if I never heard either of those instruments again.
They're both so loud. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Maybe if it wasn't so loud, I wouldn't. Hey!
Excuse me, do I need to go?
Yeah, no, you're good.
Nothing too much. You take a peek.
Okay.
Did you see your episode yet?
Of course, I watch you like 5 times. Now every morning I watch you guys. Like,
Oh, do you?
5 days a week.
Wow, thank you so
I'll be
much.
watching this episode.
Yeah. She's just
awesome,
so
eh?
she's so cute. I'll buy something so that she can make the video.
Okay,
So she'll be pleased. Tell her to go inside and get us something.
yeah. yeah.
Some antique thing.
Go inside and find us a treasure.
Yeah. She probably would. She's so cute, so
Yeah, she
sweet.
seems super nice.
Right on.
Thank you.
Guys. My favorite famous people.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on yet another great picking adventure. If you like our videos, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing and you'll get notified for every new video we put out. And actually, we're putting out 5 videos a week this year. This is our 3rd season on YouTube. And while you're down there clicking, you might as well hit that thumbs up button too. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. We love you guys. Thanks again. On to the next.